Welcome back, Pyjama Scientists! Are you ready to do another fun and exciting experiment with things around your house? And it's so easy you can do it in your pajamas. Today we're going to do an experiment with the 3 different states of matter. We've got gas, which is like the air around us, liquids, like water, and solids, like a spoon. And we're going to be asking the question, what happens when we mix some liquids and solids? You may remember we did a does it dissolve experiment last week, where we experimented putting different things into water to see if it dissolves and becomes translucent, or if it doesn't dissolve and you can see 2 parts in the glass. This is an example of a possible outcome when we mix solids and liquids. The 2 things we're going to be mixing today are cornstarch, which is a solid, very, very tiny pieces, and we're going to mix it with the liquid, water. What do you think will happen when we mix the water and the cornstarch? Will it dissolve? Will it not dissolve? Will it create a gas, like the air around us? Will it be a liquid? A solid? Put in your predictions now and check out the link below before you begin the experiment. You have to watch the story of Bartholomew Cubbins and OOblek. Are you finished watching the story? If you have, you know all about Bartholomew Cubbins and the magical OOblek. Today, we're going to make our own OOblek in our kitchen, in our pajamas. The materials that we're going to need are a big bowl, some water, cornstarch, a spoon, and some food coloring to paint it. Alright, to begin the experiment, we're going to put 5 big spoonfuls of cornstarch into the bowl. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step, we're going to add some food coloring into the water. Some blue and some yellow. It's a little bit green, but mostly blue. All right. Now, this part we have to do very carefully. With the spoon, put a little bit of water into the cornstarch. Let's start with 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have to mix it all together. Oof, it's not easy. Try your best to mix it all up. Okay, and I think we're going to need 5 more spoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it all up the best you can. I had to add 5 more spoonfuls of water into my mixture, but now I have my OOblek. Once your OOblek looks the same everywhere in the bowl, now it's time to play with it. Touch your OOblek and see how it reacts. If I touch it very hard with my fingers, it's like a solid. But if I touch it very gently, it acts like a liquid. Here, if I hold the OOblek with my fingers and I move it a lot, it looks like a solid. And if I let it rest, it's like a liquid again. This is the magic of OOblek. It's both a liquid and a solid, depending on what way force is applied to the mixture. Now you can play with your OOblek and see what you can make from it. Can you form it into any shapes before it becomes a liquid again? It's quite a challenge. And don't worry, if it gets a little bit messy, OOblek washes up super easily with only water. I hope you enjoyed our second experiment, Pyjama Scientists. See you next time!